So Oreo came out with the Firecracker Pop, which this is a limited edition. And when I post this, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to get this, but I picked this up at Walmart. And it's supposed to be 3 different flavors, which is blue raspberry, lemon, and cherry flavor. So there you go. That is your 3 flavors on one. And you got to do the OG. I mean, it's very clear. So let's go with just cream. It's very reminiscent of 7-Eleven Slurpee. Like, just a high artificial flavoring. And they're very distinct. I'm not getting the lemon so much, but the raspberry and blueberry are definitely pronounced. So let's go with just a full bite. I think that's a vanilla wafer. It doesn't really say. But it's just like flavored cream. It's not bad. Like, it's actually tolerable. And there's not an overbearing flavor between a blueberry, cherry, and a lime. It's not as distinct. I gotta give it an 8 out of 10. I'd probably get this again. Like, it's pretty good. Like, Oreo did a good job with this. Because it's actually like, the flavors are just mixing together and just kind of work. But it isn't really reminiscent of like a bomb pop. But as just a flavored cookie, really isn't bad. But you gotta be a judge on this, so we'll catch you on the next food days. See ya.